So as I was moving the carpet back, because I was going to prep that and kind of hit it with encapsulator, I started pulling the carpet back and noticed more and more scaly, rusty, yucky. The driver's side has been replaced in two places. Not beautifully, but it's been done. The trans tunnel seems solid for the most part, but the footwells on the passenger side, we're going to hit them with rust encapsulator, seal up the holes, and because it's solid on the bottom, it's been undercoated, it's decent on the bottom. Fun. Taking out the back seat, looking at the rear speaker wiring. Oh my god. Don't worry, we will resolve. Floor and firewall are all cleaned, scraped, and vacuumed. As good as we gonna get. We're going to do some rust inhibitor spray, and then we're gonna fill our holes in with a little seam sealer, and then we're going to paint after that. Seal this off the best we can, because we ain't replacing any floors. So it's definitely gonna be better than how it is now. Alright, improvements galore. Got that hole sealed up there. Basically anywhere where there was a hole that there shouldn't be, it has been sealed with the paintable white silicone, which seals actually better than seam sealer. It's a lot harder to get off, a lot harder to get under. First things first, before we did that, we shot everything with rust encapsulator. Got it all shot, and we put down the sealer on that side over the holes, let that set, painted it with some satin black. Same thing going on here. We're going to shoot this in a little bit, and then we're going to hit it with a little bit of undercoat just to kind of protect it. But there's no longer holes that should not be there. Vast improvement from this morning. A little bit of seam sealer, rust inhibitor, seam sealer, and some paint, and a little bit of undercoating on the really rough spots just to kind of thicken them up, beef them up. Night and day.